Welcome to a truly unique adventure where the sun-baked dunes meet the familiar barnyard. Tracks in the Sand invites you on an extraordinary expedition to uncover the hidden life of the desert, guided by an unlikely team of farm animal explorers. Imagine a curious goat, its sharp hooves leaving precise prints in the soft earth, acting as a scout alongside a flock of clucking chickens that scratch and peck, revealing hidden seeds and insects. This journey blurs the lines between the domestic and the wild. Spoonbills are wading birds, meaning they live and feed in shallow wetlands, marshes, and lakes. Spoonbills live on every continent except Antarctica. Spoonbills feed by swinging their bills side to side through shallow water. Spoonbills are large, elegant birds, standing up to 1 meter, 3 feet tall. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa. A small population of Asiatic lions still survives in India's Gir forest. Moose thrive in cold climates thanks to a thick, insulating coat. They are so well adapted that scientists have found they don't even begin to feel the cold until temperatures drop far below zero. They can close their nostrils, which acts like a valve to keep water out. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Flamingos belong to the Phaenicopteratae family. Flamingos are very social. They live in large colonies that can include thousands of birds. Flamingos build cone-shaped mud nests to keep their eggs safe from flooding. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called Bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view, almost 320 degrees around. Goats have strong, split hooves that help them climb rocks and steep hills. Goats are herbivores, eating grass, leaves, shrubs. Ibises belong to the Thresciornithidae family, which also includes spoonbills. Ibises are omnivorous, feeding on insects, crustaceans, small fish, frogs, and sometimes plants. Ibises are social birds, often living and nesting in large colonies. Ibises are migratory birds, traveling long distances between breeding and feeding grounds. Alligators play a vital role in their ecosystem. Their gator holes which they dig and maintain during dry periods. Alligators are long-lived creatures. Alligators have existed for over 150 million years, surviving the mass extinction. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means the mothers carry their babies, called joeys, in a pouch. Kangaroos move by hopping. They can jump more than 25 feet, 8 meters, in one bound. Male kangaroos are called boomers, females are flyers, and babies are joeys. Kangaroos are herbivores, eating grass, Ostriches are flightless birds, but they make up for it with their incredible speed and size. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world, 2.7 meters tall. Ostriches are the fastest running birds, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Parrots belong to the Sidicidae family. Parrots are known for their bright feathers, strong curved beaks, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 backward. Parrots are omnivores, eating fruits, seeds, nuts, buds, and sometimes insects. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Shoebills are tall, gray-blue birds with long legs, broad wings, and striking yellow eyes. Shoebills live in tropical East Africa, mainly in South Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania, and Zambia. Shoebills are carnivorous. They eat fish, frogs, water snakes, baby crocodiles, and even small turtles. Secretary bird is a large, long-legged bird of prey found mainly in sub-Saharan Africa. Secretary birds prefer open grasslands and savannas, where they can easily spot prey on the ground. Secretary birds are carnivores, mainly eating snakes, lizards, rodents, insects, and small mammals. Owls live almost everywhere, in forests, deserts, mountains, and even cities around the world. Owls are carnivores, feeding mainly on mice, rats, insects, frogs, and small birds. Owls have large, forward-facing eyes that give them excellent depth perception. Owls have super-sensitive hearing. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Cows are one of the main sources of milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Cows have an excellent sense of smell. Peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka. but now live in many countries around the world. Male peacocks are famous for their brilliant blue and green plumage and long, shimmering tail feathers, called a train. Peacocks are polygamous, meaning one male mates with several females. Peacocks often forage on the ground. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age. And one species. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value. Toucans belong to the Rhamphasidae family. Toucans are known for their large, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans are medium-sized birds, about 18 to 24 inches, 45 to 60 centimeters long depending on the species, usually high up in the tree canopies. Wildebeests are large antelopes found mostly in the grasslands and savannas of Africa, especially in Tanzania and Kenya. Wildebeests are herbivores. They eat mostly grass and sometimes leaves. Wildebeests can run fast, reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. Giraffes were long thought to be mostly silent. However, recent research suggests they hum to each other, primarily at night, and they also communicate using snorts, grunts, and moans. Giraffes have the shortest sleep requirement of any mammal. Giraffe populations are declining, and they are classified as vulnerable to extinction. Eagles are birds of prey, raptors, strong hunters with sharp eyesight and talons. Eagles have incredible vision, up to 8 times sharper than human eyesight. Eagles can see ultraviolet light, helping them detect traces and movements of prey. Eagles have strong, hooked beaks to tear meat easily. Can be revealed through the most familiar of companions. Our adventure begins by learning the language of the land itself. We'll follow the delicate, thread-like trails of lizards and the winding paths left by sidewinder snakes. But we'll also see how our farm friends interact with this environment.